Hello everybody, we have now entered into the Tabla Repair video series number 5, which is called the final stage of tightening the strap. In other words, we've reached the final part before we got the some good sound. So what's happening? Ulrich has been pulling and we're going up very slowly. We've been making sure everything has been tidy. I repeat this again and again because it's very important. Tabla skin is nicely on, flat, everything is good. So we go into the next stage and we got sound. Here it's a little bit low. Here it's a little bit high. I hope you can hear that on the video. Okay. So the thing is, now we're going to pull with the sound as our guiding factor. So do we pull hard, do we pull a little less hard? So we try to get an equal sound. Now I just need to explain a little bit about this, how the tabla skin is tuning, because mostly when you get up to a high tension and a good tension, there's a kind of north, south, east and west idea. In other words, you've got north and south, they will be, and mostly, the same tuning. So if here is one tuning, it's going to be the same on the other side. And maybe this is lower, but this will also be lower. So the opposite sides are always equal. So taking that into consideration, if you've got a low part, you have to understand, do I tune it up on this side, or do I tune it up on this side? So let's explain that when we reach that point, when the gittis are in and everything. But firstly, we just have to concentrate on getting an equal sound. Okay, so every time, basically, while we're pulling, we're going to listen at the same time. So you just play tin or na. Well, na doesn't have a sound yet, but tin or open sound. Okay, and then you know where you're going. Yeah. And then you take a sound. In the beginning, it's not going to be all the way around, but just try and keep it equal. Cool. Okay.
Hear a difference already.
Okay. So you start here at the beginning.
Stop somewhere halfway. I'll start from the beginning again.
Take the high one and follow that.
This one?
Yeah, that's higher than the beginning. A little bit higher. Pull. More pulling. Yeah. Okay, just go on. Yes,
it's quite good.
You see, these ones are a little low. Here it's a little low, but we can compensate on this side. No? A little bit high. Oh. Yes.
Cool.
Okay, just go on, and we take the opposite side. We have to go to this high note. This is a nice note. keep the notes the same.
This one.
Close enough.
It's a really good practice.
Yeah, good.
It's not too low.
No, don't go too much into the delicacies. That comes later. But now we're just keeping an approximate sound tone. The pitch has to be equal. It doesn't matter where the pitch is, but as long as it's equal. This one has to come a little bit more up. Let me just check one thing.
Yes.
Oh yeah. Okay. Just get it equal now. So I'm checking also the tension of the skin. If we just, with our 3 fingers on each hand, slightly press. 1 second, Ulrich, don't let go. But I just have to see you press and see what the tension is. But actually the tension is quite high on the skin. So we're getting close to gitty time. I think we're going to, yeah, once we got the sound equal, then we're going to put the tuning blocks in, the gitty. Just keep it equal. Okay. Yeah.
Starting to have
Don't go higher than this.
Cool.
Just keep this now. It's good. Listen what you're doing. Okay.
Somehow got lower.
Yeah. Just keep going.
I'm just gonna up.
Good. Yeah, it's good. A bit higher.
Oh, that's the end.
It's the end, yeah, that's always difficult there.
It's difficult because it's not tight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me just check here. Yeah, the last piece will always be a problem. Yeah, it's a little bit lower here. We can compensate that by having this a little bit higher. Okay. And now it's balanced. I mean, it's tuned. So the first thing we have to do now is get the gittis in. That's the next step. So we have 8 gitty. 1, 2. Oh, we got the small
These are
one.
the small ones.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let me just show you. Can I have the hammer? Just I need my head in it. My head. Yeah. Nice. Okay. So. Okay. So this is the end. This is the beginning. But the end is always a little bit difficult to get some very high tension, which is like here. So what we do when we start putting gitti in, well, we'll start here with actually this. So when we put gitti in, we have actually 4. We start with the last knot and we count 1, 2, 3, 4. This is actually a set. Next 4 is also a set for the gitti. So we're going to start with this one, and that's the last 2. This is like we've got 4 straps, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to start with number 2 here. And what we need, because it's a difficult position, we want a thick gitti. Most of them, maybe you can get a little bit closer. You can zoom it a bit. So this one is thicker than this one. It means we can use this one to get more tension, which will be more high in tone. So we're going to use the thicker gitti. Maybe we've got an even thicker one. Yeah, this one is even thicker. So we're going to use the thickest one for the last position, and we're going to put that there. It's very tight, so wish us luck. Do you want to do this?
Yes. So.
Can you see that?
No.
Yeah. Just bring it down a little bit. Thank you. Yes. So you this is the knot, not this one here.
2, 3.
Yeah. Let's see. Nice. Okay, so the next part, we've got one in. Now we're going to take, we're going to miss this, so we've got 4 here. The next piece will go in here, this 4, but we're going to jump that, and we're going to take this one, which is going to be the second one of the 3rd position, which is actually like from north, it's going from south. Let me think about that. to east.
East.
It's going from south to position east. So we're going to put one in here. See if you can do it alone. It's not easy, this.
Yep. Got it.
Okay, so I'm just going to change position here. Maybe like this. Okay, so go to north now.
So this is one set. This is the next set.
Yeah,
We'll skip that one.
yeah,
We'll go to this set.
yes,
North, second one.
yes. Yes, very good.
Got that.
Okay, now turn it again. Go to west.
West side.
The west side.
So again 4. Skip that one. I'm coming in at west. And that should be 4 from south. Which is good.
Yes, very good.
Second one.
Very good. Let's listen to what we got. That's okay. Yes. Let's see if we can tune that better. Okay, just we fill up the holes now. Okay, see how that works. Put the gitty in and we'll see how it works.
So again for second one.
Yeah. Yeah, just take the next one. That's good. Don't worry about that too much.
And just go around.
Yeah, take that one now.
Second one. Get it. Next one, still second.
Wait a minute.
That's not the second one.
This is, yeah, this is...
No, this is the set.
Oh, that's the set?
Should
So
be
this
here.
is the second one, yeah, okay. Yes. Good.
You can just hear it go up as you pull it. Yeah.
So, time... Oh no, one more.
One more. This one is good, right? Yeah.
That's it. Oh, that's the second one, so that's the third, yeah, that's the set.
That one should be here.
Yes, that's the one.
Hopla. Last one is usually
Voila.
the worst. Yeah.
Okay. It's quite high, isn't it?
Quite dense. Yeah.
I wonder what note that is. Oh, it's very high. Like, well, it will go naturally. The next tomorrow, it's going to go down about a note. So this is like A sharp or B flat. see how this is. We're going down to A now. Just check the tension. Yeah, we got a little bit to go. Okay, so I left it for a little bit and now it's getting more settled, I would say. Tuning is relatively good. I mean, qua balance. So I think I'm going to put another strap up, which means more tension. First we have to check if the tabla will be able to take that tension. Then by pressing slightly on the skin, it is going down a bit when I press here. So it means I can do that a little bit. So I think we should do, because it's in G sharp, it's a little low, it could go much higher. So we're going to put up the next strap. Now the difference with the straps are, we begin with the strap coming from under the edge of the tabla skin. This will have more power in it, more tension in it, than the one which is coming from over the top. This one has less power. So when we put the second one on, it's not going to make that much of a difference because it's much less power here. So I'm going to ask Elric to put the second strap on, and then we're going to see what happens. So it's going to be this one. It'll be going up next to this one. Let's see how high it will go. Eric, please.
Yay! Let's see, where's the hook? I'll just do that quickly.
To the north, south, east and west.
Oh, okay. That was north and that was not north. I'll just
It doesn't matter.
keep that, yeah, keep that system going.
Doesn't matter where you start. There's always going to be a new
A new north.
a new north.
Okay.
And after those 4 are done, we'll check it. Just to see how the skin is doing.
Last one.
See, it's easier to put on, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, there's definitely less power on it.
Okay, now let me check the tuning. Yeah, it's good. Put it. Let's put the other 4.
The other one?
Yeah. So let me just explain a little bit here while Elric is doing this gitty. We put the skin, we get it up to this height of tuning, and tomorrow it will go down again. Overnight it will go down. So we will have to put maybe another strap on, or we can put it even again. So we will take the gitties out and we will give it one more round of tightening, and then we put the gitties in again. So we do the process again. And actually there will be a different video about that as well. So when we want to tighten the straps even more after a few days, then we will do that again. But I will make another video about that called retightening. So now we're going to tune. I'm going to take this side. This is a little bit low here, so I'm going to take the opposite side. Am I in belt?
Yeah.
Well, it's close to B now. It's not exactly on B, but at least we can hear the quality of the tabla now. I find it. So we have some options here. If you find the tabla a little bit too, let me just see what I'm looking at. Yeah, a little bit too nasal or a little bit too gedämpft. Gedämpft is?
Dampened?
Yeah, not fully open. A little bit closed sound. So then we need to, what we can do is put a string under here, and that will open the sound a little bit more. It brings the top skin, the shanty here, it brings that up a little bit and it opens the sound a lot more. So I can do that.